Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my video. So I am making this really quick video because I have a lot of questions on my polyurethane applied to contact paper video about if it actually worked. Does it still work now? Currently, as you can see, I am literally redoing my entire craft room, including my floors. So I wanted to just show you guys what it looks like when you know the polyurethane is on top of your contact paper. My floors, unfortunately, are very uneven. So some parts of my floors have the polyurethane on top of it and you can actually see it. Whereas on the other side, when I'm trying to pull up the contact paper, it's nothing but contact paper. So I'm not even 100% sure if it did apply, but it does work. I'm assuming depending upon the way your floors are, if they're very level, then you'll get a unanimous look. If it's like mine, it's a hit and miss. Some spots is, some spots are not. So let me show you what I mean. So right here is the actual polyurethane dried. I was pulling this up, and as you can see, this is crumbling up because this is the polyurethane that dried on top of the contact paper. It's yellow. And so as you can see, this is how the contact paper looks without the polyurethane applied to it, and this is how it looks more like a whitish color with the polyurethane on it. So it does 100% protect it, as you can see here. And if I pull up more, you know, you'll see all this polyurethane that's dried. And this is how it looks. Now, on the flip side, on the other side of my room, this is not nowhere. Like, it's completely just contact paper. Now, this is another corner of my room, and when I peel this up, see? Nothing is on there. It's just the contact paper. So it does work. I just can't tell you why it worked on one part of my room and why it did not work on another part. But as you can see, it does come up. And I don't know. But yeah, this side, I did the same thing on the other side. And there's no polyurethane at all on this side. So I hope this helped everyone who had questions regarding having the polyurethane applied onto the contact paper. Make sure you subscribe because I am going to be changing my floor to a different contact paper from Dollar Tree, and it's a bold print. So pray for me that it works out the way I'm envisioning it to work out. But thanks for watching. Any more questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer it with another video or just answer it on the actual comment. Thank you guys.